COVID-19, Health Ministry issues revised home isolation guidelines. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. New Delhi, with a large number of people showing no symptoms testing positive for COVID-19, the Union Health Ministry has revised home isolation guidelines to include asymptomatic positive patients in the list of mild or pre-symptomatic coronavirus infection cases. However, immunocompromised patients, included HIV, transplant recipients, cancer therapy, are not eligible for home isolation, state the revised guidelines released on Thursday. Elderly patients aged above 60 years and those with comorbid conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, chronic lung/liver/kidney disease and cerebro-vascular disease among others shall only be allowed home isolation after proper evaluation by the treating medical officer. Patients under home isolation will stand discharged after 10 days of onset of symptoms and no fever for 3 days, the guidelines stated. Thereafter, the patient will be advised to isolate at home and self-monitor their health for further 7 days. There is no need for testing after the home isolation period is over, the revised guidelines for home isolation of very mild/pre-symptomatic/asymptomatic COVID-19 cases stated. More on COVID-19. According to the document, asymptomatic patients like the ones who are pre-symptomatic and have very mild symptoms can opt for home isolation if they have the requisite self-isolation facility at their residence so as to avoid contact with other family members. The guidelines come against India's rising COVID-19 tally to 604,641 on Thursday, with a single-day increase of 19,148 cases, just 5 days after it crossed the 5 lakh mark. The death toll due to the disease rose to 17,834 with 434 new fatalities, according to Health Ministry data updated at 8 a.m. According to the guidelines, a caregiver should be available to provide care on 24/7 basis and a communication link between the caregiver and a hospital is a prerequisite for the entire duration of home isolation. Besides, the guidelines. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.